Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate WhatsApp event registration systems for conferences. For example, you are any event organizer and you got many event registration from your users at once. Responding and doing the registration manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create an WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will reply to them. So now, to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate WhatsApp event registration system for conferences, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account. Here I am sending the first message as join conference. Here I sent. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that welcome to TechVision Conference 2025. Are you ready to register for the conference? While providing me two quick buttons, that is register now and view agenda. Here I am clicking on this register now button. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that what type of pass would you like to book, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of passes, that is general pass, VIP pass and student pass. Here I am going with this VIP pass. Then it will ask me for my full name that I am going to send as test user. Then the email address, testuser@pabblytudes.com. After that, it will ask me to share the organization name that I am going to send as Technova Solution PVT Ltd. Then you can see it will ask me to share the designation that I am going to send as Senior Project Manager. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your details. Here's the summary of your conference registration, while providing me the details, like the full name that I have given as test user. After that, the pass type that I have selected from the list as VIP pass. Then the organization name that I have given here and the designation. Also giving me one message, that is please confirm your registration by clicking on the payment link below button, while providing me two, that is payment link and the cancel. Here I want to do the confirmation of the registration, so I am clicking on this payment link button. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that here's your payment link, while providing me one payment link and one message, that is once we receive your payment, we'll connect with you shortly and share all the details of your ticket. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will automate event registration for conferences via WhatsApp, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the name to your folder. Also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate WhatsApp event registration system for conferences. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active and active button. With the help of this button, your flow will be activated. If you does not enable this toggle, then your flow will be deactivated and it will not respond to your users. And another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword /regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex is stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am writing as join conference. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword. Here I added, that is register. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that I am taking one text button, drag this box here where I am going to write my welcome message in this enter message box. That is, welcome to TechVision Conference 2025. Are you ready to register for the conference? So for answering this, I am providing two quick buttons for my user. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as register now, and another button I'll write as view agenda. After that, I am going to connect the starting point of my flow, that is the trigger point, to this message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot will provide them one welcome message which includes two quick buttons. Now let's assume my users wants to register for the event, then they will click on this register now button, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. You can write header in this enter header box. In this case I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank. Next you have to write the body in this enter body box. So here I am entering the body. Here I added, that is what type of pass would you like to book. After that you have to write the footer in this enter footer box. It is an optional, so I am leaving this blank. After that now I want to add the types of pass. For that I am clicking on this add section. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as pass type. After that I want to add the types of passes. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the first type in this enter title box. general pass. After that, in this enter description box, I am going to write the price of this general pass. Here I added. Now I want to add 2 more passes. Process of adding items into the list would be the same. Here I added only 3. You can add multiple. Here I added, that is VIP pass and student pass, including their prices. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of register now to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the pass type, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I am going to set the custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as pass type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is general pass. Here I write this because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this general pass. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this contact custom field and why we use the contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you won't save your flow and go to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever going anywhere, save your flow firstly. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this contact custom field. For that, you have to go in the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of uses. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic as different users have different data. So for capturing their data and responding them back dynamically, contact custom field is used. When you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more fields. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of your field. Also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of pass type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I selected the contact custom field node. After that, here I am setting 2 more contact custom field node for both of these pass type. For that, I am taking set custom field buttons 2 times, drag this boxes here where I am going to select the contact custom field as pass type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is VIP pass. Then for the next one also, I am going to select the contact custom field as pass type, and in this enter value box, I am writing this, that is student pass. After that, I am connecting this specific general pass circle to this message, this VIP pass to this, and this student pass to this. You can see I use the 3 separate contact custom field node, but the contact custom field inside it that I have selected is the same, that is pass type. This will help my bot to capture users' response and reply to them at the end by giving the customized message based on their provided information. Now whenever my user will select the pass type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that, I am taking one ask question button, drag this question box here where I am going to write my question as please share your full name for the conference registration. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. And number of attempt will define as how many times your user will reply to your questions. That means when you ask about their full name, that how many attempts you will give them to provide their full name. Here I set the number of attempt as 1. You can also increase this, but make sure that when you increase the number of attempt, then also write the validation message in this enter validation message box. As I have given this as in 1, so there is no requirement of any validation message. That's why I am leaving this blank. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message because whenever my user will select the pass type, then at first my bot will ask them to share their full name. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their email address. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as great. Now please share your email address to proceed with the booking. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as email. After that, the format I'll select as email. Number of attempt I'll give as 1 and I am not writing any validation message. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now whenever my user will share me their email address, then my bot will ask them to share the organization name. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this box box here, the process of adding questions into your flow will be same. You can create a WhatsApp chatbot completely based on your choice, add more questions or remove anything from it. The process would be the same. After that, here I am entering the question that please share your organization name. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as organization. After that, the format I'll select as any. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me the organization name, then I want to know their designation. For that, I'm again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as designation. After that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as designation and the format I'll select as any. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever all these procedure will done, that my user will provide me their full name, email address, organization name and the designation, then at last my bot will give them one customized message which includes 2 buttons. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. You can also select this text button from this messages options. Now I am writing my respond message in this enter message box. Here I write that is thank you for sharing your details. Here's a summary of your conference registration. While full name, you can see I use the dollar symbol before the full name, pass type, organization and the destination, because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field node, automatically my bot will capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their name in this place. For the same pass type also, that's why I have selected the contact custom field as pass type here. As different users have different data, so for giving them the customized message by mentioning their data, we will use the contact custom field. I think now you will better understand what is the main use of contact custom field. Now after that, at the end of this message, I write that please confirm your registration by clicking the payment link button below. For that, I am adding 2 buttons for my user, payment link and cancel. Let's say if my users wants to confirm the registration, then they will click on this payment link button, then my bot will provide them one payment link. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to share the payment link. Here I have done this as a test and also provided the test payment link. After that, if my user will click on this cancel button, that they want to cancel their registration, then they will click on this button, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button, in where I am going to write my respond message. That is your booking has been cancelled. Now for the next one also, that view agenda button, then my bot will respond to them by providing them the agenda of the conference. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write the agenda. Here I write the conference agenda. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate WhatsApp event registration system for conferences. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. You can also share this flow with your friends. So for sharing the flow, you have to click on this flows option where you have to click on this 3 dots and click on this share flow option. It will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, catalogs and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated event registration chatbot will reply to your users like this, shares them the past types, ask about their full name, email address and much more information. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.